Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the build number, and we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial about them. After activating, we have to go back to the general settings and tap on the system. Now let's tap on developer options, and here all we have to do is to scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. Simply tap on this switcher, and since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.